Sidra Chain: why some users may be disqualified before listing. If you're mining Sidra Chain right now, this video will save your account for future disqualification. Sidra is currently in their mining phase and not yet listed. That means no rewards has been distributed. However, some users may still be flagged or disqualified later based on their current behavior. So in this video, I will explain common actions that can put your account at risk. Number one reason: using multiple accounts. One major risk is using multiple accounts. Most mining projects always track their device fingerprint, the IP behavior and activity patterns. So this is how they will know the real users from the bot. So trying to mine with multiple accounts often lead to future disqualification even if everything looks fine now. Now, number two reason why you may be disqualified in the Sidra is that you have inactivity or low quality mining. Another risk is inconsistent or inactive mining. Accounts that miss mining sessions, show irregular activity, stop mining for a long period may be flagged as a low commitment or bot-like. So number three reason is violating platform rules. Each platform has their own rules, so you must make sure you don't violate their rules. Now, some users unknowingly violate Sidra rules by using emulator. So if you are using emulator, you are unknowingly violating Sidra rules. Now, number two is running automation tools. Using automation tools to mine your Sidra, you're already violating this rule. So make sure you don't use automation tools. Now, sharing account. When you are sharing your account to another person, you are violating the rule. And these actions may not cause immediate bans, but can result in disqualification before listing. So the number 4 point is ignoring KYC or verification step. Now, Sidra is still performing or rolling out their KYC, and some users are not interested or they are ignoring it because of the procedure. Now, say many mining projects require identity verification before listing. Users who skip KYC or use fake details or delay verification often lose eligibility. Now, looking at this my account, you can find out that my account is already verified. So reach out to me if you want to perform your KYC. Reach out to me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link will be in the video description, or chat me on WhatsApp directly. I will reply you so that you can perform your KYC. And if you're watching this video at this moment and you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Join our WhatsApp or Telegram channel for high value update. Remember, this is Jennyscryptoclass, where we give updates about airdrop and crypto information. Now, the last but not the least is, what can you do to stay safe to avoid being disqualified in your Sidra mining? Now, to stay safe, you need to reduce this risk that I'm going to mention now. Use one real account. Make sure you have only one account. Mine consistently. Avoid automation. Follow Sidra official chain announcement and prepare for KYC when it is required. So these things, if you can obey these simple rules that I said, your account will not be disqualified. This step doesn't guarantee rewards, but they protect your eligibility. Now, Sidra Chain is still early. What you do now matters more than what you expect later. Are you mining Sidra? Have you done your KYC? Are you using one account? Tell me in the comment section. What do you think? So if you have not started mining Sidra, you will also locate the link in the video description. I'm going to attach it there. Do not forget that I'm currently buying listed and unlisted token, Sidra Chain, Ruby, Pi, what have you, any other gas fee. Reach out to me on my WhatsApp and I will say to you at the bell raise. Remember, this video is strictly for informative and educative purpose. I'm not a crypto financial advisor. I'm here giving you my knowledge based on research. So that is it for this video. I hope you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. Join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. Thank you.